Hichuuu! It's your girl Honey, and today we're going to draw hair. So pick up your pen and let's go. So today you're going to need a reference to start off your drawing. So firstly, you're going to take the shapes from your reference and create a silhouette to start off your base before drawing in your details. Now for the details, I'll show you how I do that. So starting off with the bangs, it's a simple curve with some cuts in the middle, and I typically erase the middle because you don't need that much details in your bangs. Longer strands, I use this S technique, and you could basically use that with most of hair strands. Once I finish that, I put down the base color and I add the shading with the highlights and the midtones. I roughly use around 4 colors for the hair, and once I finish placing them down, I go over the line work and smooth out the edges a little bit. Here you'll see me use the colors again and basically sculpt out the hair even more. Now here I just changed the color because I wanted to see it how it looks with a darker purple, and I really like the purple and started adding some more strands. This is optional, you don't really need to do this, I'm just extra. Now here's the juicy version. Now how to create the juicy version is you want to create these darker tone purples that you used from before and really get into those darker areas and really create this like darker kind of shiny atmosphere. Then add highlights. Next we have a ponytail, and when you start doing this, like I said, add in your shapes. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just the base for when you start doing the drawing. And because I wanted to make it a little different, I'm going to change the bangs, and also I'm going to change this side to be even curlier and show you guys how to do curly versus ponytail on each side. So basically for the curl, you want to go a little swirl and create your swirl like that, and for looser ponytails it's more so like an S shape, really loose. Now when following a deeper curl, you want to follow the lines and color in that same direction, and for me I added the highlights into the middle so it looks like it has a little bit of depth, but that is what you want to do when you're coloring these like deep curls in the hair. And when you're coloring, it might seem tedious, but trust me, I really like doing curls. It's really fun. Looser curls, they're pretty simple and straightforward. All you have to do is put the darker shades in between those loose areas and try to shape it in a way to make it look really loose and curly at the same time. After that, I go in and add a little darker outline and create some highlights, and pretty much the hair is finished after that. Now here is the hairline hairstyle, where basically you're just pulling in like some curves and folding the hair over those curves to create this hairline. And once you color it, it's pretty simple. It's the same steps from before and you get your beautiful hair. Bonus! Now here is a hair tutorial on one of my OCs named Bobby. If you've seen him from previous videos where I draw my OCs, you know where this is from. But this is Bobby, and I show you the shiny hair method on his hair in this video. With this hair, I didn't use any references because I typically draw this hair a lot But if you have difficulties drawing this hair, references are the answer. And here's the finished look. If you want to see more of this OC and my finished product, watch the video before this. And that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Cheers.